Add cream to the meat and you'll never want to make it any other way. Let's start by adding a bit of oil to a pan. Next, add 3 cloves of garlic. Wait until the garlic starts to brown. Now add 500 g of meat cut into smaller pieces. Let's lightly fry this meat. Season with salt, sweet paprika, and a bit of black pepper. Stir until the meat starts to brown. Next, add 200 g of heavy cream. Now add 3 tablespoons of ketchup on top. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard. Mix everything together well. Add mushrooms and corn to taste, then stir again. And there you have it, folks. Our recipe is ready. Look how incredible it looks. Now just plate it up and enjoy your meal.